Hello and welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to make this beautiful dress for a 3 to 6 month old child. If this is a video you are interested in watching, then let's get started. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. So I have here two pieces of fabric. The width of this fabric is 16 inches and then the length is also 16 inches. So I'm going to go ahead and then fold this fabric. Then I'm going to input 3 inches from the top this way and then mark it. Now come in with my ruler and then draw a line across. Then the next I'll do is to input my chest line, which is 3.75 inches, and then I will draw a line across as well. Then I'll connect the shoulder line to touch the chest line on 90 degrees here, and then on the chest line I'll input 6 inches and then mark. I'm doing a neck width of 1.75 inches and a depth of 2, so I'll mark the 2 inches here and then just connect a straight line to touch the neck depth this way. Then I'll use my free hand to just curve out my neck. Then from the shoulder line I'll be dropping the shoulder by 1/4 inch, so I'll mark it and then I'll draw my shoulder slope. Then I'll go ahead and then curve my armhole from the chest line to touch my shoulder this way. The next I'll do is to input the length of this dress, which is 12 inches, from the shoulder line to the hem of this dress. So 12 inches, I'll mark it and then draw an arc across this way. Then afterwards I'll cut this out. So these are my pieces here. I have one for the front and one for the back. So I'll align them at the shoulder and then I'm going to mark the midsection of the back this way and then measure 2 inches. And then I'll cut it open. So this will take care of my button and my buttonhole for the back. The next I'll do is also to join the shoulders on 1/2 inch on the sewing machine. So after cutting it out, I have this small piece of fabric here which I've cut out slightly. I'll place it on the back this way, and I have this looping that I made. I'll just go ahead and then fold it, place it on the back pattern, and then place the small piece of fabric on it, head to my sewing machine and then stitch around it. So after doing that, this is what we have here. I have also my bias tape which I made out of this fabric that I'll be using to clean the armhole and then the neck area of this dress. After cleaning the armhole and then the neck, this is what we have here. I'm going to set this aside, and I have this long piece of fabric here which I've folded. The width of this fabric is about 5 inches and then the length on fold is 28 inches. So I'll open this fabric up. I cut out 2 pieces of this fabric and then I'll gather the top from one end to the other. So after gathering, this is what we have here. I'll go ahead and then stitch it onto the bottom of the dress for both the front and the back. So after joining them on the hem of this dress, this is what it looks like. The next I will do is to join the sides together and then head to my sewing machine and stitch them down and also finish the hem of this dress. So this is it. This is what we have here, looking so beautiful. Thank you so much for making time to watch this video. We'll see you in our next video.